Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another day of a grammar and writing job. Today our target skill is I can build an instructional letter. Today we are going to use what we know about commands, sentences that tell us to do something, and order words, words that tell us when to do it, to build an instructional letter. Now, we have written friendly letters before, but let's review the parts of a letter together. This is an example of an instructional letter, a letter that tells you how to do something. Before I read this letter, I'm going to remind us of the 5 parts of the letter. One of the first parts is the greeting. Everyone say, hello. The greeting is where you say hello to the person you are writing the letter to. So here I have written, Dear First Graders. Another part of the letter is the heading. In the heading, you are going to put the date. Today is December 9th, 2020. So I have put the date in the top. The next part of our letter is the body. The body. This is where we write the letter. In our body today, you are going to be gluing down the sentences that tell a friend what to do. They are instructional sentences. The fourth part of our letter is the closing. That's where you say goodbye. You can say your friend, you can say sincerely, or like I did, your teacher. And the last part of the letter is the signature. The signature is where you sign your name so that the person who writes the letter, who's reading the letter, knows who wrote the letter. All right, follow along with your eyes as I read this letter today. Dear first graders, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is a delicious snack. First, spread the peanut butter and jelly on 2 slices of bread. Next, place the slices of bread together. Finally, cut down the middle and eat. Your teacher, Miss Rossman. So I have written you an instructional letter to tell you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Do you spy the order words in this letter? I see the word first, I see the word next, and I see the word finally. This tells you which order to do the commands or the instructions. All right, boys and girls, your job today is to cut out the sentences and glue them down in the order in which they happened. Look for the order words and then glue the sentence into the letter. Have fun, first graders. I'll see you next time.